Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I mostly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and today we are going to get into my Ipsy bag, my Ipsy Glam bag, and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which are sent to me for review by Ipsy. Thank you so much. Let's get into this. I'm wearing some of these products today, so let's get into my Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $13 a month, and I believe you get $50 worth of product. So first we have which this was in my spoilers on TikTok. Actually, like the day before I got this. I got this yesterday on January 30th. Today is January 31st, and I'm posting this on February 1st. This is the Grown Alchemist. This is Biological Beauty Balancing Toner. Has rose, ginseng, and chamomile. One of my friends has reactions to chamomile. It's following cleansing. Apply a few drops onto palms of your hands and press onto face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye contour. Apply morning and evening and follow appropriate serum and moisturizer. So it's in this pretty amber bottle. And all I have from them is a primer that I got in Boxycharm, I believe, a couple months ago. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. I got a liquid eyeliner and it's a brown, which is kind of cool. This is the colors I believe that they have. And let's open this bad boy up. This is from Cali. It's C, I think that's an A, L-L-Y. Is that an O or an S? Kind of looks like both. E-E. Intense liquid eyeliner in the shade Americano. And it has little coffee beans there. It is a felt tip. Pretty pigmented. Let's see if it dries out. And let's do like a little. I don't see it bleeding yet. I'll let you guys know by the end. But yeah, no bleeding. I don't know exactly if it's matte, but it's a really pretty brown. Okay. And then we have from Pear Nova, the Lunar Lip Balm. It almost looks like Lunar Beauty right there. And then, so it's in the shade Orbit. Black packaging. And it kind of looks like, you know, has some shimmer in it. It's interesting that it's different colors. Very, very, very faint sweet scent. It feels moisturizing. Lips are really dry. But you can see a little bit of a shimmer, but that's pretty. I will definitely use that. So far, I will use everything. Now, I will not be using this because this is from Benefit, they are not cruelty-free, but it is their Fluff Up Brow Wax, Flexible Brow Texturizing Wax, which I don't think I would use anyway because, I mean, I have pretty thick brows. I just like to fill them in because I used to overpluck the crap out of them. But yeah, this will be going to a good home. I think this is the full size, but I have no idea. I've never tried actually anything from Benefit. And then this is from BFC, I believe. I'm not sure. It is their Whole Lotta Mascara, and it's a mini, which I don't need to try any more mascaras right now. I have enough that are open, so that will go to my never-ending mascaras that I needed to try. So I thought that was a good little, and like the bag is really cute. Ooh. It says, self-love is the best love, which is very true. Yeah, I thought that was a good little bag. And then for the big bag, so it's the same thing, self-love is the best love, and same kind of design. This is from Beauty Bakery, which I have not tried them before. This is their Do It for the Gram, like graham cracker eyeshadow palette. Is really cute. And then, and I am wearing this today. The eyeshadows do not have names, which that's fine. So it says, our Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette will have you begging, give me some mo, with a 12 foil matte and duochrome powder ice cream shades. I'm wearing this skin tone color. Well, my skin tone color just set my eyeshadow primer. This in the crease, this in the outer V and crease, And then I'm wearing this on the lid. So I don't know. I would say, let's see if this is a duochrome. They're not like super metallic-y. That's actually really pretty. I thought it was going to be like a blue-brown pigment, which I've never tried MAC in my life. But yeah, I think this is a good like everyday palette for people that go to the office like me. It's not going to be like the most intense palette in the entire world. But also really cool. Are these the same? Okay, they're different. All right, cool. I don't think they're like super duochrome-y, but like they're shifty enough, you know? Gold, and then this is the one that I'm wearing today. Let's see how the blue is. Ooh, it's kind of like it's different than you would think in the pan. Those are really pretty. And then let me finish the last two shimmers. So warm tones, and then two kind of coolish tones, and then obviously all the mattes are warm tone. But I think it's a good little good everyday palette. And then we have a brush from Lovecraft Beauty. Ooh, I didn't really know. I didn't see it was dual fibered. I don't know if you can see, like it's like a different color in the bristles. So you could use this like highlighter, maybe like contour. I probably am gonna use this as highlighter or like dusting under the eyes. It's very, very soft. Cute handle. We have the First Aid Beauty Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. Purify and smooth. Safe for sensitive skin. I like First Aid Beauty a lot. My husband really likes them too. It says this is like a vacuum for your skin. This detoxifying mask purges pores of dirt, oil, and impurities. Calamine helps unclog pores and calm irritation, while its powder particles slough away. Yes, I think it's slough away surface impurities. Kaolin and bentonite clays, salicylic acid, and tea tree oil help purify skin and control oil. After use, pores look tighter and skin feels baby soft and detoxified. So I'm interested to try this. I'm not really a big mask person, but I do like First Aid Beauty because they are very gentle. I used to use their moisturizer exclusively. The one in a tub I think is different compared to the one in a tube. I just think it's thicker and better for my dry skin. And then I'm really excited to try this. This is also my spoilers on TikTok. This is from Saturday Skin, which I have not tried them. This is their Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And 7-peptide mix. Our proprietary 7-peptide mix found in all of our formulas to refresh and reveal your everyday glow. Pretty pink. I love getting moisturizers. Seals on there. Ooh, it's like a light pink. Very, very like kind of clean scent, but it's not like, I don't think it's super fragrance. Like I wasn't like, woo! So I'm excited to try that. I haven't tried anything from them. And do I see fragrance in here? I don't think so. No, here we go. Actually, it says dermatologist tested, no paraben, sulfate, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. Ooh, that's really cool. I am very excited to try this. And then lastly, this is the packaging that it came in. This is from MOTD. I feel like they had makeup brushes. Maybe I'm wrong. But this is their Pink Lace Blush Duo. And I'm wearing that today. And it's actually lasted really, really well. This is like all day, okay? And let me know what you think. But I'm not going to say what it looks like, but... And Charlotte Tilbury has blushes that look like this, but this is really pretty. At first I was like, it has some shimmer on the outside and then like matte on the inside. And I mixed them together today. And I'm not really a big pink blush person, but like really, really pretty. And the packaging is really cool. So I don't know if they're a sustainable brand or not, but it says you be you, only better. But it has this like A for Beauty. It has this rubber band, so it keeps it on there, but it is more sustainable. So I don't know if they are a sustainable brand. Make it a better swatch. That was really bad. Yeah, no bleeding. And it's pretty, I would say it's matte. Okay. I don't think you can really see blush swatches, but it's like a peachy pink blush. It's worn off a little bit, but I still feel like it's pretty glowy. So yeah, that is what I got in my box. Let me know what you guys think about this. I personally think this is obviously better, but we got in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you do get full size items. I believe it is almost $40 a month. I will put the correct price here, but yeah, I'm impressed. And Bailey Sarian is going to do the Glam Bag X, like customizing it and everything, but I'm impressed with the blush duo. I'm excited to use the moisturizer, of course. I'm going to try the mask and get back to you guys on that. And then the brush, and then the palette. I really like this. And I will obviously be doing an unboxing whenever I get my Boxycharm, which is usually late. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes or what you wanted to get in your box. I am excited to see what we get in March. And please subscribe so you can see more of me and me using these products. I do daily shorts, I do daily TikToks, and I try to be on Instagram as much as I can. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.